Hey people, I'm Harini and welcome to my channel. This is like my first video on YouTube, and now that it's holiday season, let's start it with some Christmas DIY. So today we're gonna make an alternative Christmas tree, and now you can simply use them to decorate any of your corners or simply put them as ornaments for your Christmas tree. And do make sure to watch the video till the end, and let's get started. Now to make the trees, we need a couple of popsicle sticks and cut one end of each of the stick to help it stand. And now let's paint the sticks completely in black. And here I'm painting only first half of it because I want my hands clean for the video. And now let these halves dry up before we paint the remaining half of the sticks. After both the sides are completely dried up, take some gold acrylic paint and brush off some paint here and there, like all over the stick, and you can also do this with dry brush technique. Now put both the sticks inclined and glue them on the top. And now take another popsicle stick and cut off the edge and chop off a 2 cm length stick, and this small piece goes in between the two sticks standing for support. Also, make sure that you stick the entire thing on a piece of thick sheet so that it is strong enough for the next step. And now take a green satin ribbon and fold a corner of it and make sure that you secure it in place. And now start wrapping the satin ribbon with a few twists to give it a nice texture. Now I took a golden thread and wrapped it around randomly to give it a nice little spark. And now for the final step, cut out a star off of a piece of cardboard and paint it in acrylic gold. Now stick the star on top and your tree is ready. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And do let me know in the comments if you like the tree, and follow me on my Instagram handle, and the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.